Look at this enormous old-growth Douglas fir. It contains 90 tons of carbon. Isn't it wild that this tree got this big from extracting carbon from the air? This big, just from air. This tree is in a mature natural forest, also called a legacy forest, located on Washington State public land. This forest is not protected and could be clear-cut very soon. The Washington State Department of Natural Resources is a strong agency with capable and powerful teams innovating land management. They are scoring a lot of wins, and there are also ecological oversights. One oversight is that they are targeting the last remains of legacy forest, about 77,000 acres, which is a mere 3% of all of the forest managed by the DNR, and they are quickly liquidating them to the timber industry to be clear-cut and converted into industrial tree plantations. Since European settlement, over 90% of America's old-growth forests have been destroyed. Unless we change Washington State policy, all of these legacy forests will soon be destroyed and converted into monoculture industrial tree farms. Industrial tree farms exacerbate intense wildfires, exacerbate droughts in the summer, exacerbate floods in the winter, destroy biodiversity and critical salmon habitat, and are very carbon intensive. Mature Pacific Northwest forests store more carbon than any other forest type in the world, almost twice as much as tropical rainforest. Instead of destroying the last legacy forest, this is the moment to conserve their beauty, to protect biodiversity and wildlife habitat, and to keep our watersheds and salmon runs healthy. They are our best natural climate solution and an ecological insurance plan. They are the old growth of the future. This is an opportunity for the strength of the Washington State Department of Natural Resources to collaborate with legendary environmental groups to create more jobs, to sustain a healthy wood products industry, all while striving to set a high bar of ecological forestry, which includes protecting the last remains of legacy forest. Please click the link to ask our Washington State leaders to protect our legacy forest.